Hey there! Welcome to NutriKids, where we embark on a journey to discover the wonderful world of healthy eating. Here, we believe that eating well is not just about filling our bellies, but nourishing our bodies and minds with the best nature has to offer. Get ready to join us on a flavorful adventure, where we'll explore the colorful palette of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins that will energize and empower you. So, grab your apron and let's dive into the delicious realm of NutriKids, where every bite is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Hi, I'm Apple.
I'm Banana.
We're packed with vitamins and minerals that keep your body strong and healthy. Eat us for a tasty snack anytime. Hello, I'm Oatmeal. I'm rich in fiber, which helps keep your tummy full and aids digestion. Add some fruits for extra flavor and nutrients. Hey, I'm Milk. I'm Cheese. We're full of calcium, which makes your bones and teeth strong. Don't forget to include us in your meals for a calcium boost. Hi, I'm Spinach. I'm loaded with iron, which helps your blood carry oxygen to all parts of your body. Add me to salads or smoothies for a nutritious kick. Hello, I'm Salmon. I'm packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your brain and heart health. Grill or bake me for a delicious and nutritious meal. We're blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. We're bursting with antioxidants, which help protect your body from harmful substances. Snack on us for a sweet and healthy treat. Hi, I'm Salad. I'm a mix of veggies like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers, packed with vitamins and minerals. Dress me up with a healthy vinaigrette for a refreshing meal. Hello, I'm Avocado. I'm filled with healthy fats that keep your heart happy and your skin glowing. Spread me on whole grain bread for a nutritious snack. Hi, we're Carrots. We're rich in beta-carotene, which is great for your eyesight and immune system. Munch on us raw or add us to soups and stir-fries. Hello, I'm Greek yogurt. I'm packed with protein, which helps build and repair your muscles. Top me with honey and nuts for a delicious and satisfying snack. Hi, we're bell peppers. We're loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and keeps your skin healthy. Eat us raw or cooked for a crunchy and flavorful meal addition. Hello, I'm Quinoa. I'm a whole grain packed with protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Cook me as a side dish or add me to salads for a nutritious meal. Hi, we're lentils. We're a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. Enjoy us in soups, stews, or salads for a hearty and nutritious meal. Hello, we're sweet potatoes. We're rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Bake or roast us for a tasty and nutritious side dish. Hi, I'm edamame. I'm young soybeans packed with protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Enjoy me as a snack, or add me to salads and stir-fries. Hello, I'm hummus. I'm made from chickpeas, which are high in protein and fiber. Dip veggie sticks or whole grain crackers in me for a delicious and nutritious snack. Hi, we're eggs. We're a great source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Enjoy us boiled, scrambled, or poached for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Hello, we're nuts. We're packed with healthy fats, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. Snack on us for an energy-boosting and nutritious treat. Hi, I'm brown rice. I'm a whole grain packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Enjoy me as a side dish or base for stir fries and Buddha bowls. Hello, I'm chicken. I'm a lean source of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Grill, bake, or roast me for a delicious and nutritious meal. Hi, we're black beans. We're loaded with protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Enjoy us in soups, salads, or tacos for a nutritious and filling meal. Hello, I'm broccoli. I'm packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Steam, roast, or stir-fry me for a nutritious and delicious side dish. Hi, I'm whole grain pasta. I'm rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals compared to refined pasta. Pair me with a homemade tomato sauce and veggies for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Hello, I'm turkey. I'm a lean source of protein, vitamins, and minerals that support muscle growth and overall health. Enjoy me in sandwiches, salads, or wraps for a nutritious meal. Hi, we're chia seeds. We're packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various nutrients. Mix us with milk or yogurt to make a nutritious and filling pudding. Hello, I'm cottage cheese. I'm a great source of protein and calcium that supports muscle growth and bone health. Pair me with fruits like pineapple for a tasty and nutritious snack. Hi, we're dried fruits. We're concentrated sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Enjoy us as a convenient and nutritious snack, or add us to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Hello, I'm beef. I'm a rich source of protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Enjoy me in moderation, as part of a balanced diet for muscle growth and overall health. Hi, I'm tofu. I'm a versatile plant-based protein that's low in calories and high in nutrients. Stir-fry me with veggies for a delicious and nutritious meal. Hello, we're whole grain crackers. We're made from whole grains and packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Pair us with cheese for a nutritious and satisfying snack. Hi, I'm popcorn. I'm a whole grain snack that's low in calories and high in fiber. Enjoy me air-popped or lightly seasoned for a crunchy and nutritious treat. Hello, we're tofu skewers. We're packed with plant-based protein and can be grilled or baked with your favorite marinade for a delicious and nutritious meal. Hi, we're kale chips. We're a crunchy and nutritious snack packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Bake us with olive oil and seasonings for a tasty and healthy treat. Hello, we're turkey kebabs. We're a lean and flavorful source of protein packed with vitamins and minerals. Grill or bake us with your favorite veggies for a nutritious meal. Hi, I'm seaweed salad. I'm packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support thyroid health and overall well-being. Enjoy me as a refreshing and nutritious side dish. Hello, we're portobello mushrooms. We're low in calories and packed with nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Grill or roast us for a flavorful and nutritious meal. Hi, I'm Lentil Salad. I'm packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health and digestion. Enjoy me as a nutritious and satisfying meal or side dish. Hello, we're vegetable sushi rolls. We're made with nutrient-rich ingredients like rice, vegetables, and seaweed, providing a delicious and nutritious meal or snack option. Thanks for joining us on this tasty adventure through the world of NutriKids. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the importance of healthy eating habits and discovering new foods along the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share our videos with your friends, and click that bell button so you never miss out on our latest fruity escapades. Together, let's inspire healthy habits for a happier, healthier future. See you next time.